are new, I am 𝕊𝕦𝓄𝕣𝕠𝕠 and I am the Eclectic Herbalist. Today I am doing my unboxing video for September for Apothecary at Home, which was for Breathe Easy, the theme was. Now, I did look through the herbal actions prior to filming, but it is 3 pages worth of actions to go over. A few of them are new, and a few of them look like my mouth won't be able to pronounce them, so I will be getting aid from YouTube. Anyways, it's 3 pages, so I will be looking at a little book. Like always, before we get into the actual unboxing, I will go over the herbal actions with you. So, as I said, I will look. Herbal action number 1 is the antibacterials and antimicrobials. Microbials. So if you remember from previous videos, these herbs help the body destroy or resist pathogenic microorganisms. The next one is astringents, which again, if you watched any of the other ones, that is a herb that has a binding action on mucous membranes, so it kind of just, well, mucous membranes, skin, and exposed tissue. So like it will dry up your runny nose. One of the new ones I don't think I've gone over in a previous video is 𝕬𝕠𝕕╦𝕬𝕐𝕐. These herbs help warm up the body and improve circulation and assist with the elimination of toxins. The next one is a demaculant, and if you remember, demaculants have that slippery coating constituent. The next one is expectorants. Expectorants remove excess mucus from the lungs. And then we have stimulating expectorants, which when your body is producing too much mucus, I guess. Chemically irritating the lining of the bronchioles to stimulate a coughing reflex. Ugh. The next one is a relaxing demaculant, and these herbs are more indirect when thick or sticky mucus produces an I just don't like talking about mucus. I just got over a really bad sinus infection too, and I did not think to look in this. Ugh. I don't know if anyone knows, because I watched it on some obscure show. But if you like sneeze and your snot is like yellow or green, obviously, like an odd color, like that's an infection. An infectious beast. And my sinuses like closed up, so it wasn't that I had a runny nose, it was that like I couldn't breathe. Anyways, I'm just gonna buzz through these last ones because I've already just kind of wasted time. So a relaxing demaculant, antispasmodics, and nervines. So what a jumble. Chaotic. Anyways, so we will go ahead and get into the unboxing, and I will see you guys when you return. So bye. So as mentioned, this month is herbs for Breathe Easy, and next month we will be doing herbs for romance and rituals. If you are new to my channel and you are not quite sure what Apothecary at Home is, basically it is a month-to-month subscription box that you can get for about $38.99 plus shipping and handling, and it will come with a guide, herbs, and all the supplies you need to get your apothecary started. First out of the box, we did get a pack of tea from the Loose Leaf Tea Company for sinus relief, and it does have organic horehound, feverfew, fennel, licorice root, and echinacea. Next up are 2 4-ounce maceration jars. We do get this in every box, and they either come clear or amber colored. This month we did get a tin, so it does look like we will be making a salve for one of our monthly projects. Next, we also got an amber glass dropper bottle. Sometimes we get 2, sometimes we get 1, but these do also come in every box. Another beautiful monthly occurrence are these two Muslim straining bags to strain our macerations at the end of the month. We did get a surprise gift from the 𝕬𝕠𝕤 company. It was a shower steamer. There was a back to this and I didn't show it. I did use it though, and it was great. Another thing we get in every box is 4 to 5 labels so you can name and date all of your projects. One of my most favorite things from this box are the hand-drawn sketches from the owner's mother, Virgie. I obviously save all of them because I plan to use them in my monographs, but the first one is of eucalyptus, and the second sketch is of mullein. I'm no longer going to say their botanical names because my mouth just cannot form proper words. Another lovely thing about this company is they do supply us with seeds from the herbs that we got in the box, so we did get a pack of mullein seeds this month. And speaking of mullein, it was the first bag of herb I pulled out of the box. Medically, you would use mullein to help with respiratory system inflammation, congestion, infections, and a cough. Magically, mullein can be used for protection against negative energies or to determine a lover's faithfulness. Next up, we did get 2 ounces of eucalyptus. Or, if anyone saw that hilarious meme of that little boy who couldn't pronounce it, eulictopus. All jokes aside though, eucalyptus oil is toxic if taken internally, so you would want to use it as a form of steam inhalation. Magically, it is used in purification spells. Next up was our surprise herb, and it is 1 ounce of marshmallow root. Medicinally, marshmallow root can be used to reduce swelling and inflammation of the mucous membrane, along with assisting in dry coughs. Magically, marshmallow root can be used in protection spells and to aid with psychic powers. And last out the box is just the health disclaimer. So that is all for this month. If you are interested in catching next month's box, I do have the link below that will get you a discount if you want to check that out. But that is all. Alright, welcome back. So that is the box. So as I was saying in the beginning of the video, been quite busy working on the book, promoting it. It's going active on pre-order kind of sporadically when I put it up. Pre-order for the ebook and pre-order for the Barnes & Noble copies, which have alternate covers for paperback and the hardcover, and also have a bonus chapter in them, which the other copies do not. So I will put those links below so you can pre-order if you want. I do have it on Goodreads, so Core, or the Taking of Persephone series, however you look it up. It is on Goodreads, so you can add it to your TBR. It's been a long process. I've gone through beta readers. I've read my own story like 30 times. Anyways, links will be below, kind of explaining a little bit more, and I need to do my vlog video talking about it all, but I feel like that will be around an hour long because there's a bunch of footage I've taken of me just sitting at my desk, so it's gonna be a minute. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.